This video is about the Vigilante belt, which is a belt that can also be used as handcuffs. First, you want to cut 1-inch wide strips to your target size, which is waist size plus 4 inches. You'll have to do a little math here. Cut 2 small strips to measure 3 inches plus 1.5 inch on either side to account for fold over. Then, to find how long the end piece is, take your size and subtract 8 inches from it. Add 2 inches for stitching. As always, bevel your edges. Punch basic buckle ends on both sides of the smaller strips. Punch a buckle end on the long piece with the stitch lines running along the outside edge. Punch a strap end to finish off the long strip. Add any decorative stamps. Now punch smaller oblong holes along the main belt piece. I like to walk the tool to measure where my next hole lines up. Now dye all the pieces, front and back. Make sure all the holes are dyed with a smaller dye brush. Sheen and condition. Burnish all edges. Make sure to burnish the entire inside to prevent dye rub-off. This can be done with any tool that has a smooth surface. I use the side of a paper creaser. Last, assemble your pieces. And now, you have a finished Vigilante belt.